Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. On today's video we'll be making a no-sew DIY tutorial and I'll be showing you how to achieve this top without sewing. To all our subscribers, I want to say thank you, and if you haven't subscribed, please like and subscribe to our channel. Okay guys, before I start working on the top, I'm going to just talk about this beautiful DIY that I saw. You can just use the pictorial illustration to do yours. So mark out the part you want to just design, and after marking it out, take your scissors and you just cut it. So when you cut it, there will be no need to stitch it up, okay? So after cutting it, you can leave it that way. It's still going to be beautiful, just like the way this is, or you can weave it. So I'll put a pictorial illustration on how it is. This is just another no-sew idea that you can try out, and it's very easy. You can just create your own fringes for your top. I'll be using this scarf that I have, and my singlet is an old singlet. I just wanted to use it for this DIY and I don't want to throw it away. So I was like, why not create something out of it? So I advise you use a stretchy singlet or top to make this no-sew top, okay? So you are going to mark the part that you need for it. So either you fold it this way to determine how short you want it to be, or you use your half length, that is your shoulder to your waist. Okay, so I use my shoulder to my waist, and I found that it was a bit too long, so I used my shoulder to my under bust. Okay, so that was what I used. Shoulder to under bust was 15 inches, and I mark it, and I'm going to just connect the 15 inches. You can use your ruler. After connecting it, take your scissors and cut it straight on the side down to that part you mark the 15 inches. Do the same thing on both sides and you cut it out. So we've gotten the back for this top. This is the back. So just cut out all the necessary parts that are not needed. Then when you are done with that part, you can actually wear this. The back will be shorter if you want to. So I'm going to take my tape and find the midpoint of the front. And I'm going to use my chalk to mark a straight line. So do the same thing for yours. After marking the straight line, take your scissors and open it up. So you are going to open the front, not the back. I'll put it on my mannequin, so I'll be draping it on the mannequin and showing you how it looks. Let's go over to the other one. So this one, you can actually sew it. When you fold the hair tie, you can stitch it up, or you stitch the rope to the side. So I'm not stitching mine. I'm just going to be using elastic for the neckline. So fold the scarf into a triangular form, and the scarf that I used was 28 inches wide. So on all sides, so the square scarf, that's what I use. So you fold it to a triangular form. After folding it, you take that tip that you fold and you are going to tie it. Just tie it very, very firm, because we are going to pass the rope or elastic that you need through that part. So that's going to be for the neck. So after you've done that part, this is basically it. The only thing you just need to do is to tie that part, and you can put it on this way. So if you are slim and you are size 8 and size 10, you can actually just tie this to your back. But if you are size 14 and size 16 or a plus size, I advise you use rope for it so that you'll be able to tie it. So you can stitch rope to both sides with your you can stitch it, or you can just use the rope. See what I'm doing? Just pass it through it and tie it at the tip of both sides, and you tie it to your back. So if you want to stitch it, it's a no-sew, so I'm not stitching. I'll be showing you how to wear it on my mannequin. So Let's go over to our mannequin. This is the first one, and this is it after placing it on the mannequin. So you are just going to fold the edge. After folding the edge, you do it like a wrap. Okay, so this one is wrap. So follow what I'm doing, and you go over to the back and you tie it at the back. Can you see what I'm doing? So basically, this is the first no sew, and after tying it, you've gotten your top, and you don't need to sew it. So you can, if you are looking for an inner that is sexy and you want to use it to go out, you can wear a blazer and wear your trouser pants or your skirt, and you are good to go. Or you can go out like this for those who like to go out like this without adding anything. So it all depends on how you want to style this top. Okay, so this is basically it. This is the other one, and you can use you can use a chain for it. If you don't want to use elastic or rope, you can just use chain, and it's so going to be pretty, like the picture that I put by the side. So after you've tied it, I'm just going to tie it and show you exactly what I mean. You are going to now pass the elastic or the rope, and you put it on your neck, tie it on the neck, or you can use your chain and just hook the chain at your neck. Okay, so when you're done, you take the other part of the scarf and you can use it, tie it at the back. So you can use different scarf that you have for this design. You can actually use an Ankara fabric. So you can cut 28 inches, like a square bust, 28 inches, and use it to make this top. It's a no sew. So when you are done, you can wear it that way, or you can wear a blazer. So if you wear a blazer, nobody is going to know that this is something that you did not sew and you are just rocking it. Okay, so you can rock it with a blazer or with a jacket and jean top. You are good to go. So this is basically it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. For all our DIY lovers, this tutorial is for you. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please like and subscribe. God bless you guys. Bye, guys.